APLD Stock Analysis July 31st. Welcome to the analysis of Applied Digital Corporation APLD stock traded on NASDAQ for July 30th. Let's dive into the day's price action, volume, technical indicators, support and resistance levels, and a prediction for tomorrow's opening price. Buckle up and let's break it down. Daily price action and trend. On July 30th, APLD experienced a dynamic session. The stock opened at $10.05, hit a high of $10.40, dipped to a low of $9.79, and closed at $10.03, down $0.02, minus 0.20% from the open, and $0.09, minus 0.89% from the previous day's close of $10.12. The trading volume was 28,882,089 shares, below the recent average of 30 to 50 million, but still robust, indicating steady market interest. The stock's price action shows a tight range of 61 cents compared to recent volatility, suggesting consolidation after a wild ride from $9.35 on July 9th to $11.93 on July 18th. The slight downward close and lower volume hint at a pause in momentum, possibly as traders await a catalyst. Volume-weighted average price, or VWAP. The VWAP for July 30th was $10.14.99, slightly above the closing price of $10.03. This indicates that the average price of shares traded was higher than the close, suggesting selling pressure in the latter part of the session. The proximity to VWAP reflects a balanced market with no extreme bullish or bearish dominance. Technical indicators. Let's unpack the key indicators in a beginner-friendly way. RSI, 14-day, 47.53. The relative strength index is in neutral territory, down from 64.87 on July 18th, indicating the stock is neither overbought nor oversold. This suggests room for movement in either direction without immediate reversal signals. MACD, 0.2305, MACD signal, 0.3319, MACD histogram, minus 0.1014. The negative histogram and MACD below the signal line confirmed bearish momentum, but the small histogram value suggests the downtrend is weakening, potentially setting up for a reversal. Volume. At 28.88 million shares, volume is lower than the 55.75 million on July 18th or 47.47 million on July 21st, indicating reduced participation. This could signal consolidation or a lack of conviction in the current price level. Bollinger Bands. Upper, $11.75.9, middle, $10.29.75, lower, $8.81.9. The close near the middle band suggests stability, with the lower band at $8.81.9 acting as a potential support if selling intensifies. PSAR, $12.16.17, above the current price, indicating a bearish trend in the short term. Support, resistance, and stop-loss levels. Using the July 30th data and recent trends, support levels. The day's low of $9.79 is a near-term support reinforced by the July 9th low of $9.13 and the 50-day SMA at $10.28.87. A break below $9.79 could target $9 to $9.20 July 8th to 11th lows. Resistance levels. The VWAP at $10.14.99 and the day's high of $10.40 are immediate hurdles. Beyond that, $10.75 July 25th close and $11.20 July 24th close are key resistance levels. breaking $10.20 could signal a return to the uptrend toward $11.93 July 18th high. Stop loss. For long positions, a stop loss below $9.79, around $9.70, protects against a breakdown. For swing traders, waiting for a bounce to $10.40 to $11.75 with confirmed support minimizes risk. Tomorrow's opening prediction. Predicting the July 31st opening price is tricky given the consolidation phase. The close at $10.03, just below the VWAP at $10.14.99, and the neutral RSI, 47.53, suggest a lack of strong directional bias. The MACD's weakening bearish signal and lower volume indicate a potential pause or reversal. Support at $9.79 and resistance at $10.40 to $11.20 are critical levels to watch. Traders should use tight stop losses around $9.70 and monitor volume for breakout signals. APLD steady price action makes it a stock to watch for a potential swing trade. Stay tuned for updates and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Catch you in the next video.